Hello, everyone. Today we're going to explore how to link a subscriber Google Sheet to MailerLite. If you're new to MailerLite, don't miss the free trial link in the description below. For those of you already on board, simply log in and follow along. First, you'll need to create a Zapier account to establish the connection between MailerLite and Google Sheet. On the Zapier dashboard, click Create and then select Zaps. If you need any guidance, the co-pilot is here to help. Choose both MailerLite and Google Sheet from the available options and fill in the necessary details on the right side of the screen. To link your MailerLite account, click Sign In and log into MailerLite. Repeat this step to log into your Google Sheet account. Your account will be connected. Then configure the settings and click on Publish, and you're done. Hopefully this video will help you. Before we end this video, I want to invite you to a free training on building your email list while earning high-ticket commissions. My team and I have been using this method to make over $3,000 in commissions while growing our list for free. If this sounds like something you'd be interested in, just click the link in the description to sign up. Thanks for watching.